Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily block a contact or a group on Telegram application on your iPhone. So in order to begin, I'll open up the Telegram application. Once I'm in the Telegram application, I'll go into settings, which is in the bottom right corner. I'll click on it. From here I'll choose privacy and security, and now you can see the first option, which is blocked users. I'll go on to that, and now you can see I have blocked already 3 users. So what I'm going to do next is I'll click on block user, and now I can choose any of the contact that I have to block. So I'm going to click on this one, and now you can see the account is blocked right now. And if you want to remove the block, what I'll have to do is click on edit and click on this negative icon and click on unblock. So that's it for today's, and once that's done you can click on done. Okay, so that's how you can easily block a contact on Telegram. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.